Once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so before you take your seat, please arrange your chairs and pick up some pieces under your chair. Okay, very good. Now, let's check the attendance first. So, before we proceed to our topic, let me remind you all our classroom rules during our class. Please read class.
Avoid talking with your seatmates. Listen carefully. Raise your right hand if you want to speak. Respect your teacher.
Okay, so is that clear to the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, so before that, let us review first. So, who can remember what was our last topic? Yes, Berlin?
It was all about fifth classroom.
Okay, so what is flipped classroom? Yes, Erica?
It's an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning.
Okay, so very good. So, let us clap our hands for Erica and Berlin. Now, let's move on. Let's do our activity. But before that, this is the group. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. And then I have here a scramble board that you arrange in the board. So, sabay namin yung class. And the first group who can finish will receive 10 points, and the last group is 5 points.
Social distancing.
The first group is group 2. Yay! Education and online learning will sing. As gumawa naman. Okay, very good. So, group 1 can live first. Okay, since you're all done, group 1 is, what is your word?
Distance education.
How about group 2?
Online learning.
Okay, so
subject through online.
Okay, so, ang kasagaran sa ito karon is nagagamit na yun og technology. So, ang mga estudyante karon dili na yung mabuhi o walay technology. So, please read the definition of distance education.
Also known as standardized education of students who may not always be physically present at school, or where the learner and the teacher are separated in both time and distance.
So, nasabtan na ninyo ang distance education class?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed to the online learning. About online learning class? Please read.
It's a form of distance education that is primarily characterized by the use of meditation of the internet.
Yes, it's true. So, sa education kanina is the same naman dun distance education and online learning sa synchronous and asynchronous. So, nasabtan na ninyo class?
Yes, teacher.
So, this is the example of online learning. So, kaya Antan, 2014 posted the 9 advantages of distance education and online learning. So, first advantage is facilitator of mass education. So, what is this? Sa inyong mind, kung saan facilitator of mass education? Yes, it's good. So the second one is the provision of various education of options. So this is the advantages, the 9 advantages that Kaya Antan posted. Please read the 3 to 9.
Provision of various education options. Responsibility to individuals for their learning. Facilitate the individuals for independent learning. Provision of hard materials is possible. Provision of sport education.
So, sa tanan nga naaaring sa 9 advantages class is Kaya Antan si Kaya Antan is nag-post din sa anin tungod kay kita mamutanan is murag na lang ikaugalian na nato ba dili routine na nato nga magamit o technology. So, here are the advanced silence foundation of DE, Distance Education by Megan 1996. So, teachers and students separated this case, this is where online education from traditional Education by Moore and Kersey, 1996. So please read class, the source of knowledge and design mechanism. Course delivery mechanism. System management and learning environment. So, nasabtan na ninyo class, can you component and limitation?
Yes, sir.
Taylor and Todd, 1995, said that this is called the fourth era of the learning and the flexible learning model. So, the fourth era siya. The following is the issues of starting to shape the newest image of education, of distance education. So, can you please read the number 1 to 4?
Bring an off-classroom environment with reality and
Bring an off-classroom environment with the online class. Refers to the use of virtual and augmented reality as a mushrooming feature of distance and online education. Bringing an in-class environment outside the online class. Because of the way forward pace of technology, students can type e-books or attend discussion forums at any time they want and anywhere they are. Edutainment and learning can now become more inviting and engaging. E-problem education made from the less people-centered. Okay, so this is the issues of starting to shape the newest image of distance education. So this is the first issues, the bringing and of classroom environment within the online class. So ulang gyapon ay ang dili man ingon nga kung sa ato lang karon is kanang sa environment man good kanang wala kay tay kuan ba kanang sakto bitaw nga kaning access. So sa bringing in a class environment outside the online class, So sa una man good is kanang naapay mga outing nga mahitabo, di ba, sa kanila. So karon wala naman nila, di ba? So sa edutainment, learning can now become more inviting and engaging. So we need to now we need to engage ourselves and motivate nga halubilo ta sa ato ang co-classmates. So this is the last, the technology and the distance education. Please read. The rise of technology is reshaping distance education, particularly online learning. However, faculty and students need to be trained through a comprehensive training designed to optimally use the benefits of technology in education. So sa technology and education, dili lang kita ang benefits ani, kundi pati ang mga instructor, mga faculty. So kinahanglan po nila og kanang comprehensive training designed to optimally use the benefits of technology in education. Nasabtan naman yung class?
Yes,
teacher. So this is the example of technology and distance education. So the last is the principle of technology use the distance education and online learning. Please read the first to third. Technology is more than technology.
It should be seen as a tool to achieve a higher degree of knowledge and learning. Technology is not just a resource. This means that the teachers need to plan and structure instructional delivery by utilizing technology as a platform as successful fruit and idea. Technology becomes the mission for distance education. While it is true that distance education in the current context tends to be highlighting the use of technology as a bridge of efficient force.
So, tama ba ni tarang class? Kaning principles of technology and distance education and online learning? Yes. Yeah, technology is more than machine. So, mao na gadagan sa ato ang kinabuhi, di ba? Ang technology karon. So, mostly, technology is not just a rescue, di ba? So, and then third is technology become the meditation of distance education. So, pinameditate na nato siya day and night, di ba? Ang cellphone or ang technology. So, nasabtan na ba ang talang class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now what is distance education? Yes, Erica.
Distance education, also known as distance learning, is the education of students who may not always be physically present at school, or where the learner and the teacher is separated in both time and distance.
How about the online learning?
Online learning is a sub-form of distance education that is primarily characterized by use and meditation of the internet.
So, nasabtan na ba tayo ng class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so kay nakasabot naman mo, let's have a game. Activity there. So, instructions, role play about the distance education and online learning. So, count off na lang tayo, dili man pantay. So, 1, 2 lang. Tama lang 2. Okay. G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, Say last number. 2. So, 1, 2. Sige. So, this will be the group 1 and diri ita ang group 2. You have here a criteria. Presentation, 15 points. Delivery, 10 points. And the paper test is 5 points. So, in total of 13 points.